Hello, I am Shubhankar, an AWS Cloud Support Engineer here at the AWS office in Bangalore. Today, I am going to show you how to upgrade or downgrade the SQL Server Engine Edition in Amazon Relational Database Service for Microsoft SQL Server. Let's get started. Amazon RDS for SQL Server supports Express, Web, Standard, and Enterprise editions. However, you can't use the Amazon RDS console or AWS command line interface to perform an in-place SQL Server edition change. To upgrade the SQL Server Engine edition, follow these steps. Create a snapshot of your existing RDS for SQL Server instance. Restore the snapshot to create a new RDS instance. Select the desired higher edition. Rename or delete the original RDS instance so that you can reuse the DNS endpoint. You can use this snapshot and restore method to upgrade from Standard to Enterprise Edition, Web to Standard or Enterprise Edition, or Express to Web, Standard or Enterprise Edition. To downgrade the SQL Server Edition, in-place downgrade isn't supported. However, you can use the native backup and restore option, AWS Data Migration Service or other tools. For native backup and restore options, follow these steps. Create a new RDS for SQL Server instance with desired lower edition. Add the native backup and restore option to both the source and target instances. Backup databases from source to an Amazon S3 bucket. Check if any features are edition specific. Use the query sys.dm _db _persisted _sku _features. Restore backups from Amazon S3 to target lower edition instance. For example, RDS original old to RDS original old 01. Rename the target instance to the original instance for RDS SQL Server Web to RDS original. Restore backups from Amazon S3 to the target lower edition instance. Recreate logins, users, security groups and parameter groups on the target instance. AWS DMS replicates changes from higher to lower edition, allowing ongoing replication. Other tools like SQL Server import-export wizards, scripts wizards or BCP utility can also move data but might require resolving consistency issues. After you upgrade or downgrade, rename the source and target instances to avoid updating connection strings. Follow these steps. Stop traffic to the source instance. Upgrade or downgrade the edition. Rename the source instance, for example, RDS original old to RDS original old 01. Rename the target instance to original name. For example, RDS SQL Server Web to RDS Original. Keep the security groups the same as the source instance for network connectivity. Allow traffic to the renamed target instance with the new addition. Test applications, create a final snapshot of the old instance and then delete the source instance. And now you know how to upgrade or downgrade the SQL Server Engine edition in Amazon RDS for SQL Server. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.